G.I. Joe is there.
Hey there guys, welcome to my toy review. This is G.I. Joe, Real American Hero.
He's always there.
Look at them in their sweet box covers. Ain't that amazing? There's Cobra Commander and Baroness. Some random guy, Major Blood. I think that's Duke. Gun-Ho. Frostbite, Blowjob. Look at him suave with those skis. Ain't that pretty cool? I like the detail on him and the color. Here's Big Ben with all of his glory. He comes with that side pack and a huge rifle. Pretty sick. He has the US flag on his detailing. The backpack has good molding shape. Oh look, Cobra Commander and the Baroness. Look at those recolors. She usually wore back in the show. Looks pretty suave. She looks beautiful as always. The weapons look horrible. They're remakes of some other type of toy weapons. They don't even fit their hands. Let's go to Cobra Commander, the main boss, the honcho. Look at the detailing on this guy. Looking pretty cool. Now, you see those Y shape? That's where a backpack went on his back and had voice acting. Now, let me show you these horrible weapons. They're alright. Small ass backpack. And here they are in all their glory and beauty. And there's Cobra Commander. Looking pretty good. Alright guys, well this is the end of my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.